Okay, a beam of alpha particles of velocity 2.1 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second is scattered by gold foil z equal to 79. Find the distance of the closest approach of the alpha particle to the gold nucleus. The value of the charge by mass, that means 2e by m, for alpha particle is 4.8 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg. Okay, so solution. So first, a beam of alpha particle of velocity. So first one is velocity is given. Velocity of an alpha particle. So velocity of alpha particle equal to 2.1 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Okay, is scattered by the gold foil. So gold foil for Z equal to atomic number 79. Okay, the 79. Find the distance of the closest approach. We have to find R0. Okay, of the alpha particle of gold nucleus. So value of charge by mass. So charge by mass equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg. So E is equal to charge of electron. Charge of electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Z is equal to atomic number. Atomic number. So charge of an electron. Charge of an electron. Okay, so E means charge of an electron. Okay, now we have to find the distance of the closest approach. Okay, at the distance of closest approach, at the distance of closest approach means initial kinetic energy of alpha particle equal to electrostatic potential energy. That means, so initial kinetic energy of alpha particle equal to electrostatic potential energy. Okay, so at the distance of closest approach is taken as R0. So initial kinetic energy of alpha particle equal to electrostatic potential energy. So initial kinetic energy simply formula half mv square. Okay, equal to kinetic energy. So electrostatic potential energy equal to, so k z 2e divided by R0, where k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, and ZE means charge of the nucleus. Z means charge of the nucleus, and 2E means 2E means charge of an alpha particle. Okay, charge of an alpha particle. Okay, so our formula is half m v square is equal to k z of 2e divided by R0. Okay, we have to find the value of R0. Okay, so R naught equal to K ZE by 2E divided by M half of M V square. Okay, so R naught equal to 2K into ZE by V square into 2E by M. So R naught equal to 2 into the value of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Z means atomic number of the gold is 79. E means charge of the electron 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay, divided by velocity of the alpha particle. Velocity of alpha part 2.1 into 10 to the power 7 whole square means B square into 2E by M. That means charge by mass of the alpha particle is 4.8 into 10 to the power 7. Okay, so R naught is equal to 18. 2 into 9 is 18 into 79 into 1.6 into 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 19. So 9 plus 9, here the power is 9, and plus 7 divided by 2.1 whole square means 4.41 into 10 to the power 14. So R naught is equal to 18 into 79 into 116 into 48 10 to the power minus 3 divided by, so 1.6 4.8. So decimal number of decimal point 1 and 1 2. So here decimal after 2 point, so that point is cancelled. So for 41 10 to the power 14. Okay, 441 into 10 to the power 14. So R naught equal to, now divided 18 into 79 into 16 into 48 by 441 10 to the power minus 14 minus 3. So R naught is equal to, now divided, and we get 2476.4 into 10 to the power minus 17. So R naught approximately equal to, so R naught equal to 2.47 10 to the power minus 14 meter. So R naught approximately equal to 2.5 10 to the power minus 14 meter.